In July, Samsung wowed fans by unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and just a few months later, it followed up with the much-hyped Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in October. But hold on, fresh leaks have sparked a mix of excitement and concern for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's dive into the latest updates. A trusted insider, Janus Reeve, claims that the Z Fold 7 might skip the 200-megapixel camera that made headlines with the Fold Special Edition. For fans eagerly waiting for this flagship feature, this could be a disappointment. To put things into perspective, the Z Fold 6 boasts a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. The Fold Special Edition, however, went big with the 200MP camera sensor, the same one featured in Samsung's premium Galaxy S Ultra lineup, starting with the S23 Ultra. But here's the catch. The Fold SE is limited to markets like South Korea and China, leaving fans in other regions yearning for this powerhouse upgrade. And now, rumors suggest the Z Fold 7 might not include this 200MP sensor either. This could mean Samsung is keeping the premium camera experience exclusive to special editions for now, leaving the Z Fold 7 to face some familiar challenges, like camera performance and battery life, which have been ongoing concerns in the Foldable series. But don't lose hope just yet. Samsung might expand the availability of its special edition foldables next year. Imagine a global launch alongside the Z Fold 7. How exciting would that be? And speaking of exciting, leaks about Samsung's future foldables are heating up. Rumor has it that Samsung could unveil a dual-folding triple-screen device next year. Unlike Huawei's Mate X series, Samsung's design might feature two and folding hinges, offering a unique approach to foldable screens. Korean sources suggest this Fold S variant triple could debut alongside the Z Fold 7, giving Samsung fans even more to look forward to. But that's not all. 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for Samsung's foldables. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also rumored to launch with a fan edition, possibly bringing budget-friendly innovation to more users. So what do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Or are you hoping for the groundbreaking triple-screen foldable? And what about the 200MP camera, a must-have, or can Samsung skip it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. See you in the next one. Take care.